Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arsya Aulia Purbo Prasetyo, and I am from SMP Islam Al Azhar 1 Kebayoran Baru. Today, I am going to tell you a story of Golden Snail. Once upon a time in East Java, there lived a king of Daha Kingdom named Karta Marta. He had two daughters named Dewi Galuh and Chandra Kirana. Chandra Kirana was a very beautiful and kind person, but his sister was a bad person, unlike her sister, Chandra Kirana. One day, Chandra Kirana was engaged to a prince of Kahuripan kingdom named Raden Inu Kertapati, who was handsome, kind person, and wise. This engagement made Dewi Galuh jealous to his sister. Then she went to a witch to curse Chandra Kirana. The witch agreed to do what Dewi Galuh asked for. One day, when Chandra Kirana was walking around the palace garden, the witch came and cursed her. She transformed her into a golden snail. After that, Devi Galuh threw Chandra Kirana, which has become a snail, into the river. One day, an old woman was looking for fish in the river using her nets. Suddenly, she saw a golden snail. Then she brought the golden snail into her house and put it in a jar. The next day, she returned to the river to look for fish, but unfortunately, she did not get any fish. She was disappointed and returned to her house. When she arrived, she was very surprised to see a lot of delicious dishes had been presented at the top of the table. This situation happened every day. The old woman was curious. She finally decided to find out who did it to her by pretending to go to the river. She hid behind her house and peeked at what's going on inside. Then she saw the snails turn into a beautiful woman and cook meals for her. Soon the old woman came to her house. "Who are you?" asked the old woman. "I was a princess of Daha. My name is Chandra Kirana. I was cursed by a witch into a golden snail," said Chandra Kirana. After telling what had happened to her, the old woman invited Chandra Kirana to stay with her. The news of Chandra Kirana loss made Prince Inu Kertapati confused and sad. He searched for her all over the kingdom by camouflage as a common people. On his way searching for Chandra Kirana, Prince Inu Kertapati met with an old man who helped him. The old man was a person with great skills. Prince Inu told him the purpose of his journey. After knowing what had happened, the old man gave Prince Inu a clue to search for Chandra Kirana in Dadapan village. Prince Inu thanked and followed his advice. Immediately, the prince went to Dadapan village. After arriving in Dadapan village, the prince was very thirsty. Then he saw a small house and went into the small house to ask for water. Suddenly, he was shocked because he saw Chandra Kirana, an old woman. Finally, they were both very happy because they met and the curse was lost. The prince was very grateful to the old woman who had been taken care of Chandra Kirana. Then the prince brought Chandra Kirana and the old woman to the palace. After arriving at the palace, the king was happy because her daughter had returned. He also knew what had happened to his daughter. Knowing his sister had been found, Dewi Galuh ran away from the palace because she was afraid of being punished by his father. Finally, Chandra Kirana and Raden Inu Kertapati were married and they lived happily ever after. The moral lesson is we have to avoid jealousy from our mind and always be grateful. Thank you for listening to me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.